Welcome to Paramount Electronics. We are experts in the repair of industrial and commercial electronics. Today we are going to show you how we are able to exercise an electronic inverter that is manufactured by Toyo Denki. The function of this VF61V inverter is to control a three-phase motor used in a printing press, but could be found in other industrial applications. We have developed a sophisticated test jig that tests each of the inverter's functions and proves it is fully operational before the repaired unit is returned to our customer. Okay, we have an auto transformer here and we're going to switch it on. Okay. I'm just going to make it run here, remote control and that. There's the speed of the actual motor running. Okay, let's stop it. It's just freewheeling down there. So it'll take a little bit of time. And I will switch it off, and thank you for watching.